In this lab exercise, we're going to create an email template that will allow us to send emails to our leads using one single predefined template. And this template will contain placeholders, or you can think of them as fill in the blanks, and it would automatically pull in data from our ZOHO CRM records and merge them with the email message, so you can reuse the same template over and over again. So let's get started. First, we go to Setup and look for Personal Settings, Account Information. The first thing we want to do is set up our email signature. So if you haven't done so yet, under your user profile, you're going to see Signature Add. So you click Add. Okay, so an email signature is basically a piece of text that you would like to attach to the end of every email message, kind of like your email signature. So I'm going to type my signature here, and of course you should go ahead and use your own name in your email signature. So I'm going to type my job title, name of our company, our phone, our website, and our company motto. Okay, and after we've done this, okay, you want to click Save, and I want to show you the Save button. The Save button is down here, so you click Save. Okay, and now you'll see that our signature has been saved under our profile. So now we can go back to Setup, and this time we'll look for Templates, Email Templates. Okay, and we'll create new template. So for our template, we want to use this template to send emails to leads. So this is correct already, leads. The name of our template will be Coffee Bean Promotion. And this email is automatically taken from our user profile, so we just leave it like that. And the subject is going to be Brazilian Coffee Bean Promotion. And we tick the box Add User Signature so that it will attach the user signature text that we have entered under our profile. And in case you have any email attachments, you can attach them right here, but for now we don't have any attachment. Okay, so now we're going to type the text of our email. And so the email is going to begin with the greeting, so dear. Okay, now we don't know beforehand the name of the lead because it's going to be taken from the ZOHO CRM database and merged into this message. So from up here, we're going to choose leads. Okay, and then the field we want is the first name. Okay, and then this is the merge field value. Now, the merge field value is like a fill in the blank that you're going to add into the template. So I'm going to right click and then copy, and then here I'm going to right click and paste. Okay, and now here we have the merge field, and make sure there's a space between dear and merge field. Okay, and then I press another space here, and the next merge field is the last name. Same thing, right click with the mouse, copy, and then right click with the mouse and paste. And then I put a comma here, so that's our greeting. And now we can type the body of our message. Okay, that's our message. Okay, so after we have typed our email message, we have the option to add an image. So here you can see this icon here, insert image. You click on this, and then you can upload an image which could be your company logo. So in our case, we do have a company logo for Starbest. And let me find the company logo. Yeah, it's here, Starbest logo. This logo can be downloaded from Session 3 website on Soul, on our class website. And now we're going to insert. Okay, and the image would look better if we wrapped it to the left hand side of the text. So we're going to set it to wrap text around image. Okay, so click wrap text around image, choose the file, and the file is this Starbest logo, which is provided to you from our class website on Soul. It's under Session 3 or Session 2 lab exercise. Click insert. Okay, and we'll just manually wrap it around. I'm gonna cut the text. I'm gonna enter it here. Okay. Alright, so now it wraps to the left of the image. And I'm going to save the template now. So I scroll down and click save. Okay, so now we have this template here, the coffee bean promotion. You can always go back and edit it, and you can preview to see what it looks like. Okay, so now that we're done with this template, let's use it to send an email to one of our leads. So I go to leads. Now you need to have a lead that has an email address. So like these two leads have an email address, so I can use or 3 leads have an email address, and make sure that it has a valid email address so it can be sent, and you can check that it really was received by this email address. So we're going to send an email to this lead, Mokpuyi, and so I click here, and here on the right hand side you'll see send mail. So I'm going to click send mail. Okay, now sometimes your web browser will prevent a new window from popping up, but you have to enable a new window to pop up because the email will appear in a separate window like what you see here now. So the first field would be email template. So select the email template that you just created, coffee bean promotion. Now when you select that email template, you'll see that the template is automatically filled in here in the body of the message, and we want the motto to be there. Okay, so now we don't have anything else to do because the first name and the last name will be taken from this particular lead record. It's going to be taken from the record and merged or combined into this email message. So at this point, let me just check to make sure all the email addresses are correct, from and to, and now I'm going to click send. Okay, and the email has been sent. I can scroll down here, okay, and you will see that now an email was sent at 2:40 p.m. That's the time right now, and I sent this email twice, and that's why it appears twice here. But in your case, if you've only sent it once, you're just going to see an email message here. You can actually click the email to see it again, and you'll see that now the name has been filled in because of our merge field. Now some of the fields look a little crooked here, but you can go check them in your Gmail account to see how it looks. And if it's not perfect, you can go back to the template and do some reformatting. But anyway, this is a short demonstration of how you can create an email template and use that same template to send emails to your leads. I could actually go here to this other lead, okay, and I can send an email, and I can use the same template. Okay, and I can also click send. Okay, and same thing, I can go down here and I will see that the email has been sent at 2:41, which is the time right now. So you can save a lot of time by creating an email template and using that template over and over again to send emails to your leads.